How to change the font style or default font on the latest Samsung One UI 7 device. This is my Samsung S25 Ultra running the latest One UI 7 version. So if your device running the One UI 7 and you want to change the default font, so first of all, to check the font, go to settings on your device and you can see the list of default font on your Samsung One UI 7 device. This is the default font. So if you want to change it, scroll down up to display, tap on a display, again scroll down. Here you can find the font size and style option, tap on it. Now here you can see the font style. Here you can see the preview how it looks. Tap on a font style. Also enable disable bold font or increase or decrease the font size. To change the font style on One UI 7, tap on it. Now you can select from the Samsung One, Gothic Bold or Roboto. By default, here you can see the only three options available. If you want to set a custom font on downloaded font style, tap on the download font on your Samsung device. Make sure your Samsung account is created. Otherwise, you need to sign in with your Samsung account. Now here you can see the list of different options: top paid, top free, new option. So tap on the top free. Now you can see two options available in the free font: Cool Judge and Samsung Sans. So we will download both. Tap on the download arrow icon to download it on your device. When complete the process, you can find this option on your font style. Now we can see complete. Now go back. Now we can see add both Samsung Sans and Cool Jazz. So select the option here. We select Cool Jazz. Now you can see change the font default font size on your Samsung One UI 7 or any other Samsung device. It's quite easy. Just download the font style you want to set. Here we select Samsung Sans. Now we can see change the font size on your device. So just select the font style you want to set on your latest Samsung One UI 7 or any other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.